Hi there, this is the Cardano session. So last week, similar to many other altcoins, very long red candle after a very long green candle, a very short-lived rebound. And before getting into the details, if you're new to these sessions, these are the areas I'll focus on in the episode 2 main concepts. And these sessions are for education research and discussion with the online community only and not financial advice. Please take note. Okay, going back to this rebound. Well, we can see that's a last point of supply defined last week, given this U-turn, very sharp U-turn, and the selling is higher. This volume bar is higher than that of the buying 2 weeks ago. So given the current backdrop, the price is likely going to bounce between the purple and the white, and it's not as easy as 2 weeks ago to for the price to retest the green line again, unless all those tariffs, wars, etc., that's happening around the world goes away or crystallize. And then if we look at the level as of now, where it seems to find support, like compared to last week and the open of this week, that's the top of the accumulation cycle. It's not a very strong support. The strongest support would be the top of the white box. This is a level of the long-term playground zone defined since like 2018. If we look deeper into the daily, previously we've drawn this box. Let me change that to blue so it's easier to differentiate when I talk about it. So the pink is the short-term playground zone, the horizontal one that's been started since November last year. And over the past few weeks, the price has been following this blue box, the downward playground zone trend. And because of that very long green bar that happened last Sunday, the Sunday before actually, if you're in earlier time zones, the price returned to the short-term playground zone, the pink box, for roughly 5 days before it broke out of it and started to decline again. So now we can move this box over, given that trend has finished. Obviously, people can say that's a bullish sign in terms of candlesticks analysis. So yeah, that's all right. The price broke out and then it retested this level, but then unsuccessful, and quickly there were a lot of selling going on. So there may be some manipulation or some big players moves over there. So given the price we have seen over the past 5-6 days, this seems to be a sharper drop as of now. We'll have to see once it rebound whether it will stop at the top end of this blue box. Usually when the price go downwards, that's how it happens. So it's not a straight line like we see in the candlesticks. But given the macro environment, the downward trend seems to be likely, and once it retests the white line, let's see whether we'll have a strong rebound like these 2 times. Obviously, this time that happened closer a few days back. It took 4 days before there's a confirmation to get the bounce up. Compared to this immediate bounce, it seems like it's like there are a lot of people willing to sell at this level. So if you are doing range bound trading, that's probably something exciting to see happening, given all these swings. That's roughly 75%. So that's a pretty good profit making opportunity for some traders that made it. So that's pretty much for Cardano.